Dear students, Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are fine at your homes. Today our topic is review. We will discuss all the main points which we have learned in this unit. Unit 11, I cannot cheat. And what did you learn? We have to tick in the box. Number 1, we use adjectives to describe people. Adjectives are words that describe the qualities of nouns. They can also describe the quantity of nouns like many, few, millions. We use verbs in the simple past tense to talk about things that happened in the past. So we have to tick in the box. Verbs in the simple past tense often end with ed. These are the examples of verb which end with ed. Started, talked, showed, cooked, walked, rained, cleaned, learned. The word is learned, we add ed. The word is want, we add to make the verb of past. Ended, needed, and there are many other examples. We have to tick in the box. We use the word can to say that someone is able to do something. Children, these are the sentences in which we use the word can. For example, I can ride a bicycle, a frog can hop, a rabbit can eat grass. So we have to tick in the box. We use the word cannot to say that someone is not able to do something. For example, a bee cannot paint a wall. So it's understood a bee cannot paint. I cannot swim in the water. The balloons cannot eat. So finally students, we have revised all the main points which we have learned in this unit. So now in the end, I'm going to read the statement. Write three nouns that end with NO when singular and with NES when plural. We add ES to words that end O to show more than one. Here are the examples. Mango, we make it plural, mangoes. The word is tomato, we have to make the word plural, we will add ES, tomatoes. The last one, hero, we add ES, heroes. Now students, I am going to describe the statement. We have to add ES with those words which end with O. For example, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. We will add ES with the word noun mango. Next one, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. So we have to add ES to make it plural. Potatoes. Number 3, hero, H-E-R-O, hero. We have to add ES to make it plural. So now I'm going to write these words. Thank you so much students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.